How to make the app icons bigger on the iPhone. Let's dive right into it. First of all, tap on Settings. Then scroll down until you see Display and Brightness. Then tap on it. Once again, scroll down. And under Display, you will find Display Zoom. Tap on that. And we have currently set that to default. Now, in order to get bigger app icons on the iPhone, we actually have to set that to larger text. This might sound confusing, but when you set it to larger text, you will also get bigger app icons, as you can actually see here in this preview. So with that said, tap on larger text, and then tap on Done in the upper right corner of the screen. And to confirm, at the bottom, tap on Use Zoomed. After you've seen that black screen appearing for a very short amount of time, you can tap on Done in the upper right corner of the screen. And now swipe up from the bottom to return to the home screen. And you will then see that all of your app icons on the iPhone are now much bigger. And this is how you get bigger icons on the iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.